Whose. Asking about which person owns or is responsible for something. For example, whose is this? Whose car is that? Whose friend is he? Whose pencil is this? Where. Where is used to obtain information about the location of a person or thing. For example, where is my book? Where do you live? Where is your father? Where can I get a taxi? From where? From where we were sitting. From where we stood. Whereas. For example, some people like fat meat, whereas others hate it. Death is final, whereas life is so full of possibilities. Whom. Whom is used to obtain information about a person or people. For example, whom will you send for? Whom do you want? Whom do you want? With whom? With whom did you go? With whom did you go? I met a man with whom I used to work. I met a man with whom I used to work. For whom? He is a man for whom I have the greatest admiration. For whom she wrote her most ardent poems. About whom? He is a lonely man about whom people tell stories. Whomever. Give it to whomever you please. Give it to whomever you please. You can invite whomever you like. You can invite whomever you like. He was free to marry whomever he chose. He was free to marry whomever he chose. Whomsoever. Whomsoever. I must break the neck of whomsoever releases me. When. When is used to obtain information about the time period in which an action occurs. For example, when can we eat? When is the party? When is the party? Since when? Since when have he had a car? Since when has he been missing? From when? From when you remember the smell? From when you remember the smell? How? How is used to ask someone if they are well and happy. How is your dad? How is your dad? How should I know? How should I know? How was your day? How many? How many cars are there? How many cars are there? How many students are there? সেখানে কত ছাত্র আছে? How much? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? How much time have we got? How far? How far is your school? How good? It is difficult to tell you how good he is. It is difficult to tell you how good he is. For how long? For how long do you play here? For how long do you play here? For how long have you been playing here? For how long have you been playing here? For how long are you waiting here? For how long are you waiting here? How long? For example, how long did you stay in that hotel? How long will it take? How long will it take? How often? For example, how often do you go to the gym? How often do you go to the gym? How soon মানে কত তাড়াতাড়ি. For example, how soon does it open? How soon does it open? How soon can you get here? How old? How old are you? How old is this building? How old is this building? How come? For example, how come I didn't see you at the party? How come I didn't see you at the party? How come I can't see her? How come I can't see her? However. You can go however you like. You can go however you like. You may act however you wish. You may act however you wish. However, I am not a specialist. Why? For example, why am I here? Why am I here? I didn't know why. Can I ask you why? Can I ask you why? Why so? Why so insistent that we leave tonight? I don't understand why so many people like to come here. I don't understand why so many people like to come here.